We're cooking some chicken wings at Wild Money for the Super Bowl weekend. And you see I got my garlic powder, my onion powder, my mustard, and this jar right here is pure oregano. There's my Italian seasoning, and there's my Goya. I'm using adobo regular, and then over here is the twisted ranch dressing, and this is the cheesy smoked bacon. I've had this on my taste test, and now I'm having an opportunity to put it on the wings. Okay, I got my garlic seasoning. Gonna put the garlic. Y'all know I love my seasonings. There's my onion. I'm using onion powder. And just a little bit of mustard, just to give it that tangy taste. I don't want to put too much. And if you don't realize, I season on both sides of my chicken. I love to add my Italian seasoning. So we add some of that in here. My all-purpose. If you notice, it's regular. I am not adding salt because some of the stuff already have salt in it. And I want to cut down from that. And then this is that chopped oregano. And this is chopped oregano. Now this is not oil right here. This is water. Trying to cut that oil up out of there. And I'll add this. Pinch this. Okay. Set this aside. And this ranch dressing I don't put in until after the chicken is cooked, because that's what's going to be my outside flavor. So I'm going to mix this all up, and I'm going to marinate. Probably always marinate for about an hour or overnight. This way it lets them seasonings soak in pretty well. Use a bacon mat sheet. I have that in my description below. Bake it on 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 Celsius for an hour and about 15 minutes or until it becomes crispy. Twisted ranch, cheesy smoke. Got this at Kroger's. I want the flavors all in. I'm going to use my brush. So I'm going to do this. And the flavor is only on one side of the chicken and not on the other, especially when you're dealing with wings. You know, you want your flavor going through the whole wing, not just partial of the wing. You bake it for an additional 15 to 20 minutes till it's nice and crispy. Yummy, yummy for the tummy. Likes up if you like this video. Slap that subscribe button because you want to see more.